Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Conlay. I'm Adil. And this is? And we're here at?
Kids Empire! Kids Empire!
That's right, folks. We're here at Kids Empire in Bolingbrook, Illinois. Now, these guys have a lot of locations nationwide, so check out the link down below to see if there's one near you. Now, today is the ribbon cutting day. This is a brand new location. It's grand opening, so we're going to go ahead and take a sneak peek at what this place is all about. So let's go ahead and get started and show you guys Kids Empire. Well, there you folks have it, Kids Empire in Bolingbrook, Illinois. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Subscribe!